Homemade buttermilk and butter lesson from Caroline's Easy Baking Lessons. Begin by adding your double or heavy whipping cream to a stand mixer or a mason jar. Use the whisk attachment and beat the cream until light whipped cream. Continue beating until the mixture looks curdled or split in appearance. Stop and check if there is any buttermilk collecting at the bottom of the bowl. In this case there is a little amount, which means we are nearly there. Continue to beat on high, but be ready for splashing and to turn off very quickly. Now watch closely at regular speed. And we have our buttermilk and butter. Now the butter must be washed twice or 3 times even, not only to rinse off more buttermilk but also to rinse off other particles that can cause your butter to go off a lot faster. Add the mass of butter to a muslin or cheesecloth, squeeze it out, and then let some more buttermilk drain off from the butter. Meanwhile, collect the milk from the bottom of the mixer bowl, sieve it off and store it in a glass bottle jar in the fridge. Remove butter from the cloth, wash once more if you're not freezing your butter. Form into a log and wrap really well with paper and foil. If you're going to freeze your butter, it is ideal to weigh the butter blocks and then add them to a labelled and marked food bag. This will help you when defrosting the butter later. Use the buttermilk and the butter in your baking or your cooking just as you would normally. Thanks for watching, guys. All the links are below and you can learn more at Caroline's Easy Baking Lessons. Until next time, happy baking, bakers!